Hello, friend. I'm Mormo from mormozine.com, and today we're talking about where to buy the Halky diabetes remedy. And you can click the link at the top of the description below this video to purchase the Halky diabetes remedy, and go ahead and click that link whenever you're ready to purchase. And real quick, here's my review. Diabetes has been plaguing society for as long as we can remember, but things are getting worse. With high fructose corn syrup sneakily making its way into most processed foods, obesity and diabetes statistics have skyrocketed. As expected, the pharmaceutical industry's solution to the problem is to throw more medication at it to manage the symptoms rather than find the cure. After all, the money is in the treatment. Over the past decade, we've seen many holistic remedy books and courses pop out with bold claims of curing diabetes or reversing it. In most cases, these terms only mean one thing: controlling diabetes to a point where it's not a threat or something to constantly worry over. This is definitely a better option than relying on medication. One of the latest books on the topic is The Halky Diabetes Remedy by a professional researcher, Amanda Fearson. The main website for this book has a long and interesting story about how she found a very unique method to keep diabetes in check. She has exposed common lies about managing diabetes and shares about how people on the small island of Halki rarely get this wretched disease. Her claim is that the dressing sauces used by the Halki residents on their foods have potent properties that will help boost your health and keep diabetes at bay. There is a strong link between one's diet and diabetes, and her product does have valid claims. So let's look at the pros and cons of the Halky diabetes remedy. The good points. Ease and convenience are probably the best words to describe the Halky diabetes remedy. Unlike conventional natural remedies that require close monitoring of carb intake and exercise, this holistic remedy only requires you to consume different dressings or sauces twice a day. That's it. The protocol is 21 days long. That's fast enough to see positive results and also short enough for most people to stay consistent. One of the main reasons most people stop eating healthy or improving their health is because they lack the ability to be consistent. With a short protocol, it's easier to stay focused until you see results. Once you see the benefits, you'll be motivated to carry on using the Halky remedy. 3. This remedy is comprised of 42 different sauces. Don't panic, you won't need to consume all 42 in a day. You only need to consume one dressing twice a day. The program is detailed, and not only will you be given specific instructions to make the sauces, but you'll have access to the nutritional information and the preparation instructions. You can't go wrong with it because the instructions are absolutely easy to follow. The book comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's enough time for you to test the information within and see if it works for you. It most probably will, but if it doesn't, no worries. You can easily get a refund. The ingredients used in the dressings can be easily purchased from most supermarkets. You won't need to hike up to some mountaintop to yank out endangered weeds from a precarious crevice just to make these sauces. Easy, easy, easy. That's the mantra of the Halky diabetes remedy. Good news, you can access this product instantly because it's a digital download. No ants in the pants, as you'll have access to the book immediately upon payment, and you'll be able to start fixing your diabetes problem on the very same day. Unlike conventional diabetes medications such as metformin, the Halki remedy dressings contain ingredients that are non-toxic and have antioxidant properties. This is a natural remedy that addresses the root cause of the problem. Almost all commercially sold medication only aim to stifle the symptoms. With a holistic remedy, your chances of getting diabetes under control is much higher. The main book is accompanied by several useful bonuses that make this product even more attractive and definitely value for money. The bonuses you'll get here are Relaxed Mind, Healthy Bodies video series, Energy Multiplier video series, Achieve Your Goals video series, cheat sheets, transcriptions, checklists, and mind maps. Besides just mitigating your diabetes problem, the ingredients in the sauces will also improve your brain health, help you lose weight, boost your energy levels, and much more. The Halki diabetes remedy is akin to making a small lifestyle change that yields rewards over and over again in the long run. You'll be able to manage your diabetes once and for all. In comparison, pills and medications will make you dependent on them for a long time, and they will definitely have negative side effects in the long run, not to mention burning a hole in your wallet. The bad points. Just like all holistic remedies, the Halki remedy will take time to work. You can expect to see positive changes in a month or two. While the sales copy makes it appear like you can get fast results in 21 days, it's best to give it a month for the remedy to truly work. Depending on the severity of your diabetes, you may still need to take medication for a while. You'll still be able to consume the sauces recommended in the guide. Ideally, you should do both and slowly wean yourself off your medication as your condition gets better. You'll still need to consult your doctor and monitor your progress with blood tests, etc. Once you have the problem under control, you'll not need to see your doctor that often. No remedy is perfect for everyone. While the Halki diabetes remedy has helped thousands of people, it may not be right for you. You may see minimal improvement. As disappointing as this may be, it can happen. The small consolation here is that you'll still be covered by the 60-day money-back guarantee. So at least your investment will not go to waste if you're in the minority of people the remedy doesn't work on. Should you get it? A definite yes. Diabetes is a serious condition, and if left to escalate, it can result in severe consequences such as blindness, amputations, etc. It's one of those diseases that seems manageable and harmless until it's not. Applying the Halki diabetes remedy could save you a lot of health problems and medical bills in future. Currently, there is no cure for diabetes, and it's one of the fastest growing health problems in society these days. If sauces mentioned in this guide can work for you, you owe it to yourself to try them out and regain control of your health. The book itself is a small investment that will reap rewards many times over. And to make things better, it has a money back guarantee. You have nothing to lose except your diabetes. Give it a go. You'll not regret it. And once again, go ahead and click the link in the description to purchase the Halki diabetes remedy. And thanks so much for watching.